Right, keyframes. Keyframes are pretty epic. This is the advert, not the full video. There we go. So keyframes, the key to keyframes is smoothing them, using Bezier curves to make them look fucking gorgeous. Right. Here's a really simple example. So these use Bezier curves to make them look smooth. Because if I didn't have Bezier curves on that, it would look like dog shit. So let's turn that off. Yeah, look at the difference. Yeah. So to make them look nice and smooth, you use a Bezier curve, which speeds up the momentum at the start and then slows it down so you don't even notice where it stops. In Premiere, to do that, so you put out your keyframes, obviously, and then you right-click on it, go down to Temporal Interpolation, and hit, if it's the final keyframe, you do ease in. If it's the opening keyframe, you do ease out. And then you can adjust that here. A normal ease in, ease out combo is usually fine. But if you want something to look a bit smoother, then I usually pull this all the way over here, which does that.